Hi there, my name's Sarah, and in this quick tip I'm going to show you how to use custom brushes for your vector lines in Clip Studio Paint. First, make sure you're working on a vector layer. It'll have this icon. If you don't see that, create a new vector layer by clicking here. You can draw on a vector layer with any brush. For example, the vine brush I created in my Ribbon Brushes tutorial. Go to the Operation tool, and make sure the Object subtool is selected. Click the line to select it. Vector layers have some really cool properties, like being able to edit the line after it's drawn. You can also change the brush shape here. But notice my vine brush, in fact a lot of brushes, don't appear on this list. So how do we fix that? Go to the brush you want to add. Open the Subtool Detail palette by clicking the wrench icon. Go to Brush Shape. Here, you'll see that same list of brushes, but with a couple more options. Click Add to Presets. Now our brush is on the list. While we're here, you can change the name by selecting it and clicking this wrench icon. To delete a brush preset, simply click the trash can. Be aware it'll just delete it, you won't get a warning or a confirmation dialog. Close this, and head back to the Object subtool. Select the line. When you open Brush Shape, our vine brush is now included in the presets. What's more, if you create shapes with the Figure tools, you can change them over to your new preset too. Depending on how your brush is set up, you may need to change the brush size. It even works with other vector objects like comic speech bubbles and frame border panels. I hope this quick tip helped you out. Be sure to check out my other Clip Studio Paint tutorials, and subscribe or follow me on socials at Ms.RedNebula for more. That's it for this one. Bye!